Hello Artsy friends! This is Joycee, the creator behind Artsy Joycee. In today's video, let me unbox with you my newest baby. It's the Cricut's Easy Press 2. As you saw in my last video, I bought this in Virgin Mega Store in Villaggio Mall here in Doha, Qatar. She's so pretty! Now, join me as I practice customizing the drawstring bag for our easy press using the materials provided in the box. First, let me plug in the machine and turn the power on. Then, let's set the temp to 145 degrees Celsius and then set the timer for 30 seconds. You'll hear a beep when it's ready. Now, let me prepare our drawstring bag and pre-press it for 5 seconds to remove wrinkles and moisture, and make sure to never skip this step. Now, position the included pre-cut iron-on material on the center of the bag, and remember, shiny side facing up. And then, let's place the easy press on top and start the timer and apply gentle pressure until it beeps. Now, let's flip the bag over and press the reverse side of the material for an additional 15 seconds. Pressing both sides ensure the design will stick well. While the iron-on film is a little less warm to touch, test a corner. If it doesn't lift easily, reapply heat for a few seconds and remove the liner. And here is our finished project. If you like more Cricut tutorials, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye!